From your perspective, where is Yiddish now?
Oh, as far as I'm concerned, it's right here. Well, I know Yiddish is in Massachusetts. It's with you. You know, that's great. Yiddish. Uh, Yiddish should always be here. I do believe it always will be here. Because of the tradition, because of its meaning, because of from my view, how we have moved to stay alive, how we've had to move, and therefore language, then becomes an instrument through which we can communicate with one another, in relation to meaning, giving life a meaning. Yeah, language. To me, being a Jew, it's that's what it means to me, being whether I'm being observant or not, being communicating, to be able to communicate and to relate and to relate to through language, because it's feelings. I know for me that everything is abstract, and that I feel what I see, and I feel what I hear. And so Yiddish, it's being Jewish wherever we are.